In the past week, I have been able to take my dropshipping business from making no sales and losing money to doing $800 in sales in just 1 week. And guys, all I did was make one major change. Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Financial Wolf channel. As you guys know, I have been struggling with my Shopify dropshipping business, and things were really rough for the first week of the business. I lost a bunch of money and I made absolutely no sales. So I made none of the money that I invested into influencer marketing back, and I decided that I needed to adapt my business to start making money from it. And I had one of two choices. Number one, I could try and adapt my product and find a better product I could sell. Or number two, I could switch my dropshipping business to another platform. Well, I couldn't think of another product to sell, and I frankly didn't have the patience or the funds to continue to invest into ads to test products. So I decided to switch things up and transition to eBay dropshipping. eBay dropshipping is very similar to Shopify dropshipping. Basically, all you do is you take products from other sites and list them onto eBay for more money. Keep in mind, you do have to take into account eBay sellers fees, so you have to have a pretty good margin on the products that you are listing. The reason that I've had way more success on eBay than with Shopify is that I actually don't need to run my own ads to drive traffic. eBay already has traffic for customers who want to buy products, so I don't have to spend any money on advertising. So basically, all I do is I list products from other sites onto my store, and when people look up those products, they see my listing and then buy it. It's really simple. All I did was pick a supplier. There are so many different suppliers that you can dropship from. Just to name a couple, AliExpress or Walmart or Amazon. There are just so many. I decided to pick Walmart as my supplier. I'm also dabbling a little bit with Amazon, but I'm gonna have a supplier picked by the end of the week because it's important that I learn one very well and I can focus on it. Now that you guys have a pretty good idea of how eBay dropshipping works, I'm gonna go ahead and hop on my eBay store, show you guys my results, and this will give you a little bit better idea about how I am making money with eBay dropshipping. And then of course, at the end of today's video, I'm going to be getting into the numbers and telling you guys exactly how much profit I made in 1 week with eBay dropshipping. We are on my eBay store right now, as you can see, and I have sold $799.70 worth of product in literally the last 7 days, which is just unbelievable. I would never have expected this many sales in such a quick amount of time. We're gonna hop over to some of my listings, and I'm gonna be showing you guys the type of stuff that I am listing on my eBay page that is actually bringing in a decent amount of profit and stuff that is actually sold on my website. So one thing here is these pans, and I'm actually sourcing these from some random website that I found because I had originally found them on Walmart, but then I found them cheaper somewhere else. So I decided just to list them from a random website, and I've already sold one of these today. And the profit on it wasn't crazy. It was a little bit over 10%. I believe I made about $5 on the product that I have listed for about $35. The website that I am sourcing from has this product listed for $27, and I am selling it on my eBay account for $34.99, meaning I'm making about $4 to $5 after accounting for eBay fees along with the product cost. The great thing about dropshipping is that you don't have to actually go out and ship the items, so you aren't really personally paying for shipping unless the actual supplier is charging you for it. Well, in this case, shipping is free. I'm actually sourcing from VIP Outlet. I'm probably not going to be using this as a main supplier. First of all, I've noticed that they tend to ship out items pretty late, and it takes a while for them to supply tracking information, so that might hurt my eBay page a little bit by having relatively slow shipping. And also, I want to focus on just a supplier or two so I can actually get good at those suppliers and understand those suppliers and not have products coming from super many different places. Another product that I decided to go ahead and put on my eBay dropshipping store that ended up making me quite a bit of money is this Ego Power String Trimmer cordless model. I sourced this from Amazon.com for $124.99, and I ended up listing it on my eBay page for $157.99. And actually, I was able to get this product cheaper because I found a discount code for Amazon, and that knocked the price down on this product to about $110. So I made a very good profit on each of the times that someone bought this from my eBay store. I think I made about $30 on every single transaction, which is a decent profit margin, around 15% if I'm doing the math correctly, but I'm really happy with how well this product turned out. I've already sold 3 of them, as you can see, and right now it does say 0 available, but I have again listed it on my eBay page because it did sell out before I could increase the quantity. In total, I made $150.80 on my $799.70 in sales on my eBay dropshipping business. I was very shocked at how much I made in my first week, and I just want to keep the momentum going. I'm going to try and get my eBay store up to 80 listings in the first week, and my goal for eBay sales by this time next week is $1,200. Hopefully I am able to continue these amount of sales. I really hope that I can, because I'm never going to give up with this business. I'm really happy with how things are turning out, and I just want to keep things moving as they are, and I want to keep the growth coming. So guys, I definitely recommend that you look into eBay dropshipping. If you have any questions about it, be sure to comment some down below. And if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to check out the Financial Wolf channel, and peace out.